Hello friends, my name is Rahul Singh. Again you are with me in the new video. In this video we'll learn about the transformation features. I have taken one model here, a simple model, this solid, and this is a second part which is joined with this. Okay, these are the transformation features. In this, if you open this, this is translation, this is rotation, this is symmetry, this is axis to axis. Okay, and if you see this one, this is mirroring. Okay, and this is pattern. Okay, pattern means if suppose this part I have taken, and in this big part, small parts, actually many parts are required. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, so like a pattern. Okay, so this type of pattern will be there. Pattern means rectangular pattern, circular pattern. Okay, so first we learn about translation. Okay, so we have clicked on this. Okay, yes, so we have taken this part. Okay, this is asking in this direction, this how much mm is required. Okay, suppose I will write here 100 mm. Okay, see, so we have made this part on this plane. Okay, but now what happened, this has been changed from this plane to another space. Okay, 100 mm upside. Okay, so this direction is also there. Okay, so now I'll get back to 0. Okay, so this is first command. Second command is rotation. Okay, I'll choose this. Okay, so what it is saying, axis means which axis. So suppose we'll take this, suppose this axis I will take. Okay, we have to mention one axis. Okay, degree, suppose 45 degree will give. So on this axis it will move like this. Okay, see this. Okay, we'll get back on 0. Okay, then symmetry. Again, for symmetry, reference is required. This suppose I'll take this symmetry. Okay, I'll take plane symmetry. Okay, so see, against this against this plane, the same part will be on the other side. Okay, this is on the symmetric position. Okay, like this. Okay, so friends, if you like the video, please subscribe the channel and please press the bell icon to keep continue with my new videos. Okay, thank you very much.